In order to add and customize widgets on your Mac desktop, it's very simple. First thing you want to do is go into your Mac and click on the date in the upper right-hand corner. You should see your recent notifications pop up, and then you'll also see a button that says Edit Widgets. Go ahead and click into Edit Widgets. Now, you'll see two different places to drag widgets to. You can take the widget from the suggested or search for them over on the left-hand side with your installed apps, and you just click and hold and drag them to where you want them. Now, with specific widgets on the right-hand side, they're only going to be visible when you click on the date here to bring up those widgets or your notification center. Now, these over on my left-hand side, these are permanent. And in order to make those permanents, you want to open up your system settings, which I have here. It's the gear icon. Go to search and then just type in the word widgets right here in your search bar, and then go to desktop and dock. At the very bottom, you'll see something that says widgets right here, and you can see where it says show widgets. On desktop is the permanent ones over here on the left. In Stage Manager, that's going to be the ones that go away when you're outside of your little notification center. So you can see where it says dim widgets on desktop, it says automatically. You can choose this to be never, and it's never going to dim the widgets. They're going to look in full color here. But if you want to, you can change that to automatic, which is what I like, and it kind of gives them a more transparent view. And you can customize all of your widgets and what they do on your desktop right here under Desktop and Dock. Once you've done that, it is as simple as clicking on this little date in the upper right-hand corner, go to Edit Widgets, you'll see all of your installed apps, you'll also see some suggestions here. Let's just go to Calendar, and as you can see, I can take these here, I can drag them, I can put them, and you can see little white boxes come up as to where you can put them. So you can't put them anywhere in the middle, but on the left and right side, you will see boxes that show up. Again, these over here on the right, when I click away, they disappear. The ones on the left do not. In order to see them, I just click the date, and there my widgets are. If you have any questions about how to do this, please put that in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.